Replace the rear wheel assembly. 1. Cut off the cable ties and unplug the control cable connector. 2. Use a 19mm hex wrench to remove the screws. 3. Push the derailleur backward and remove the rear wheel. The rear wheel assembly removal is complete. 4. Take the new rear wheel assembly and install the anti-rotation plate. 5. Move the derailleur and install the rear wheel assembly. 6. During installation, make sure the anti-rotation plate is installed with the clip facing upward. 7. Install the screws. 8. Connect the control cable connector. 9. Secure with cable ties. The rear wheel assembly replacement and installation are complete.